First we'll mix the mud, and then we'll add water to it. Load the tape into the tape reel so it comes out from the bottom, and attach the reel onto your belt. The tape has a crease in the middle to help you fold it when you do your angles. This is why it's so important that it comes out from the bottom of the reel and not the top. First, scrape off any rough pieces from the edges and pack those areas with a very thick layer of mud. Then place the tape over the covered area and use the knife to secure it in place. Make sure to wipe off all of the excess mud behind it. If a section isn't smooth, don't be afraid to add more mud and put a second piece of tape on top of that area. When covering flats, apply a layer of mud along the seam and then apply your tape on top. Make sure to keep your tape straight and perfectly aligned with the seam. When applying mud to corners, only use the edge of the knife so you aren't wasting any of the mud. The tape is creased in the middle so you can easily fold it and align it with the center of the corner. When spotting nails, apply the mud upwards and scrape it downwards. If nails are sticking out after you apply the mud, use the back of your knife to tap them in and reapply mud until the surface is smooth.